Let's just address the elephant in the room, guys. I just got out of the shower, but this video, my makeup looks really bad because I just filmed a video of me doing it, and the lighting's too bright. I had no table. Basically, it was a shit show, so excuse the mess. My face and everything doesn't look good because nothing worked out in the video, so try to make do and look good, but the light on my camera's just funky, and I just look really washed out, and you can see the hairline. You can see I look pale. Just ignore all of that and enjoy the good vibes. Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another video. Excuse this vampire lighting. I don't know, this white fluorescent lighting and everything going on is just being really funky, so I look super pale in this video, guys, but merry meet, welcome back. So this is a fun video for me to honestly share with you guys. I've had definitely multiple different experiences from the divine being blessed, and I want to tell you guys something on the spiritual awakening, being a light worker, doing all those good things. It sounds like a piece in the cake, like, oh, you're a priestess, you're a priest, you do this, you do that, you're a medium, whatever, like, cool, life's gotta be easy, right? No, when you guys take on your faith and find your inner truth, your spirituality, it's just ups and downs with anything else in life, guys. There's good moments, there's bad moments, there's sad moments, there's amazing moments of joy. It's just all around the place because you got karma, there's bumps in the road. So long story short, guys, not everything's a piece in the park. I've had my fair share for my spiritual awakening of lots of sad moments, lots of depression, and all those things, but long story short, on to the positive notes. When you do good, good things come around. So this is what I kind of wanted to share with you guys. It was neat. I got this tarot card from the Witch's Moon box this month and really didn't think anything of it. It's just the star card. The silver energy of the star brings good luck and serendipity. And I know it said that, but for some reason I felt like I'm just going to be getting different things, guys. And those things that I felt, I definitely ended up getting some awesome stuff. And because we're in the human form, you guys going to be like, what did you get? Like, what's going on? Like, sure, you got stuff from God and the Ascended Masters. Well, I got some proof. Let me show you guys. So first things first, for my first things first, guys, for my work, I won a luxury backpack, retailed at $350. So I got this awesome luxury backpack from Coach, and it's just awesome, guys. I love it. Like, what? Like, who wins a backpack? Like, what? So I didn't only just win a backpack, guys. That is just like icing on the cake. It's so awesome. I got 3 custom, or wait, no, that's something else. I got 3 boxes from the Witch's Moon. I was lucky enough to be able to afford one this month, and I got 2 sent to me to review. And I got this beautiful witchy pendant for the month of the witch, and Maleficent wore it in the new Maleficent movie, so I thought that was pretty cool. But like, come on. Blessings upon blessings, but okay, the Witch's Moon stuff is something I'm getting every month. That's just normal, right? Well, over here on this side, I'll show you guys some pictures, but my dad had this old shelf for the longest time. He used it, and he's not using it. It's been, like, outside of our home for, like, months, and I just felt weird, guys. One day on my day off, I just felt like looking at it, I grabbed it, I started cleaning it, I tried assembling it myself, and I had like a big like fit and stuff. I had like weird rust water coming out of the metal all over my carpet. Long story short, I needed these weird cat things that I couldn't find all of them, so he found them, and somehow he made me this custom shelving thing, and I've been wanting on Amazon, you know those like racks at like shopping stores where it's just like a big bar, and then you can have like all your coats hanging on there, and maybe some shoes at the bottom. But I did actually want a nicer looking one, but it just cost so much money, and I'm like, how am I gonna get it? How am I gonna do it? I don't know. And I just started playing around with this, and somehow, guys, I turned the old shelf into something new, and it just looks so nice and expensive, and I just have all my jackets hanging with my backpack, and I basically have a custom closet shelving for the outside of my room like I wanted, so I got that. I got a luxury backpack. I tried writing things in order, guys. And then I ended up getting 2 blazers from my dad. One of his clients gave him blazers because my dad was doing work on his car. So this is just one of the 2. So this one is a gray one with stripes. Comes with pants and matching vest. So this is like already in itself like, what? Blessing. But can't wear that to work. So I ended up getting a black one, which is awesome. So I can wear that to work. Wear this on fun days, and it's just really cool, guys. Like, what? How do you get 2 blazers, a luxury backpack in this month, custom shelving, witchy boxes, and then what else did I get that I got blessed from the divine? I got sage, the wildly harvest sage that I found around in my area. Asked Gia if I could take some, and she blessed me with some sage. What? So those are, I think, all the things, guys. I won a backpack for my work that's luxury. I got a custom shelving. I got 2 blazers. I got witchy boxes with like this pendant, and I didn't mention, guys, but this is Tektite. This isn't just any crystal. This is a expensive crystal, like a meteor, and it's in sterling silver. I feel so blessed. I got my witchy boxes. So yeah, won a Coach backpack, got custom shelving, got 2 blazers, witchy boxes, and Gia blessed me with sage. That was my 5 blessings of this month. I guess earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. It came to me in a like a 5-fold effect. That was so crazy, guys. Like, I'm just thinking like, huh? What? Like, I feel so blessed, so I just want to share with you this video, not to show off or anything, but to show you when you guys do choose the right path, when it is your time to spiritually awaken or not, just being a good person, guys. Like, good things come around, you do good things, it just, like, comes back to you. I don't need to be here and be a little saint angel and tell you all the good things that I do on a daily basis. Like, that's not where I'm here. I'm just here to tell you when you do pick your right path, blessings come to you. The Ascended Masters God, like, I took that beautiful tarot card, like, I just saw it, and I'm like, the star card means wishes coming true, and it's just like a beautiful card, and with how I interpreted and with my intuition was just that I'm gonna be getting stuff. And what did I end up getting? A bunch of stuff, so I feel so blessed. And I just want to encourage you guys in this video to definitely do good things, just be a good human, do good light work, and when you do good, like, you're gonna, on your path of being a light worker, there's gonna be lots of challenges and obstacles, but it's just like pushing on through them, living your life each day, doing your thing, doing your hustle, doing your grind, but even though you're sad, you're suffering, or you're going through whatever you're going through, being able to help and assist those other sentient beings is a plus as well. So definitely keep on doing good, and when you do that, good things are like coming back to you. So I'm just like shocked, guys, like, what is even going on? I got this card, and how do I win like a Coach backpack, and then I got blazers, I got custom shelving made that looks like so expensive and nice looking. Now I can actually, the reason why the closet thing was just a big deal for me, guys, is because in here I don't have a lot of storage room, and like that long pull rack thing that you have all your clothes on like wanted to break, and it's just so hard for me to see what I have in there. So now I can actually see the coats, because I like accessorizing with coats. I can pick a coat I want to wear, my work clothes can just be in here, and then I can choose whichever backpack, a clutch, or a crossbody, whatever I want to wear, I can just pick and grab it and actually use my stuff. So like, I'm just so happy I got like such nice things this month. I feel so blessed. Like, thank you, God and the divine. I love you guys. So basic moral of the story is, when you do good, be good, good things come around, and this was just one of those instances where I just like got a bunch of blessings all at once in this month. So that's my little blessed month for you guys. I do have another story time that I can tell you about can't even talk, the original. So I do have a little, basically, guys, I have another story time where I did get blessed with something very beautiful from Siddhi Gabar Bodhisattva at the beginning of my spiritual journey. So if you guys do want to hear about that story time, I never made it, I can definitely make that for you too, as well as making a story time about how my cat Maleficent manifested into my life, my familiar. So I do have some like spiritual story times I do want to share with you guys, and I guess that's your little confirmation. Maybe I should do the story time with you guys. So definitely let me know if you want to see those two. I might have more for you. I do know, like, at the moment I have like a gift I got from Siddhi Gabar Bodhisattva, and I can talk more about him and how he helped me in my spiritual journey in the beginning and how neat stuff happened, and then the familiar story when I owned my magic and stuff, how she just instantly manifested into my life. So could do those, and my spiritual awakening journey, debating on if I want to make it in this lifetime, because other people have done their thing and my path is just bonkers. So I don't know if I want to do that one yet, guys. We'll see when the time's right. But let me know what you want to see story time wise for spiritual videos in the comment section down below. And to those of you who are still watching, thank you so much. I do love this stuff that I do, my magical side, my spiritual side. I'm very magical and love doing my spiritual stuff, but I also am human like you guys. I love doing so many different things that aren't spiritual. Like, I love fashion, like you guys know. I love making things nice, taking pictures, and just being funny, doing like challenge videos, vlogging, and I feel like I haven't let that side of me out in a long time since my spiritual awakening. I try to, but it's just hard sometimes, you know. I need to get more into the reasons why in another video, but It's just hard, just on a basis like me going to work and then me trying to do videos at home, and I feel like spiritual stuff is more prioritized to help you guys out, and for a little chunk of my missions to help bring magic back into this world, so I feel like I always gotta do that, but I need to remember on this channel, I gotta do fun videos too, I'm human, so we gotta have a little balance of it all, and hopefully we can get there, but I hope this video gave you guys some inspiration, that like by you doing good things and you pushing through on your spiritual path, like even though people can be mean to you and whatever, just having compassion, being good, and doing all those things, like blessings come and like, you know, they just do their thing to you. And I honestly didn't even write these on my list, guys, because I just finished filming another video today of me trying out some makeup brushes and makeup product, but I'm looking over there and honestly, I'm getting chills. That's another blessing for me too, because how would I be able to afford this? I got these makeup brushes, guys, from Blend Party, from Vanity Planet, and there's like a bunch in here. This is worth like $100 something, but I ended up getting it for like about like $40, $35 with shipping. So an influencer I watch, Nikki and Gabby, their YouTube channel, I follow Gabby on Instagram, and she posted about these, about how it gives you an airbrush look so that your makeup looks natural, and what? I got $100 something value of makeup brushes for $35? Huh? That's insane. So that's like another blessing I guess they're letting me know right now. And just for one of these brushes, guys, like honestly could cost like $50 if not more, or a little bit less for one. And I have so many different ones. And this one just helps just blend it in all nice and smooth. Like, I can't believe that. Like, that's amazing. So I definitely feel so blessed this month. I've gotten so many blessings, so much synchronicity. So thank you to my angelic team and the Ascended Masters who are always with me. I appreciate my spiritual team. I love ya. So I guess that was another little blessing to share with you guys too. So yeah, just be good, do good, and the moral of this message is when you do good, and even though the odds and things are faced against you, you just keep on living your little light worker path, doing your thing, and things will eventually come to you and you will get blessings. I never really get blessings this much, like head on in a row. And I also do have another story time video for you guys too if you want to see it. There's one about my huge citrine sphere. If you guys have seen it in content and pictures, that is another story time on how that manifested into my life too. That was just like an instant karma, like good blessing that came my way. But long story short, do good, be good, and things will come back to you guys. This was just a beautiful month. I felt like so blessed, so honored because it's like the month of the witch. I'm very magical. Do I technically identify myself as a witch? I guess yes, in some aspects. I'm considered more of a high priestess, more of like a master in the arts of magic. But I've been witch, wizard, I've literally been everything. So honestly, at this point, I'm just a master at the magical arts. But whatever, I just love, you know, magic, witchcraft, everything, magic at its core, but I feel so blessed because it is like technically the month of the witch and all magical beings, guys. I got so many beautiful blessings. Of course, there were so many hardships and things, and I don't really care to talk about it yet, guys, because I feel like I want to be more at a positive place in my life where I can share like my whole like little life story, or like this part of my life with you guys, and how there were all these obstacles, challenges, and things, but I kept on pushing through and whatever. So I feel like I want to save that for future video, but just at the moment of like how all these other things happened that were like, oh, but there's a lot of blessings that did come in the magical month that's like me, my magical month, like Samhain, All Hallows Eve. It's like the month of magic and all those good things. I felt like I got the most like abundance and blessings in this month out of all the others. Like I did get blessings in other months too, guys, but I feel like it wasn't as like boom, 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 boom. Like this week you get that, or maybe it's a 2-week break, then boom, 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 you get these blessings. Like I'm just feel so grateful, so thank you. Once again, I need to stop saying thank you, but like thank you to the universe, to God, the Ascended Masters for manifesting all of this into my life in the most magical month of the whole year. So basically, I hope you guys get the gist of this video. I feel like my videos recently that I'm doing, these kind of like talk videos, have been all over the place. It's because my mind's all over the place and trying to balance work, everything, spiritual life, past life, drama, BS, why I'm even incarnated here. So need to get stuff a little bit more organized for you. But I'm just trying to, you know, inspire you, do my thing. Hope you guys got the little gifs of this message and enjoyed this video and my cute little bookshelf. I just love these book art my mom made me. It's like the Om, the Ska, my beautiful books. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And of course, until next time, I'll see you guys then by the Earth, Air, Fire, Water, and Spirit, the 5 elements. Oh, okay. erase that. I didn't even do it good. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated like always, so mote it be. Literally shook right now, guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's 1-1. I need to screenshot my phone. I just like turned it on and it's 1-1 right now. You guys can see it now, right? 1-1 up there. Turn off my phone, turn on my phone. It's 1-1. Like what? I basically was thinking like what I should call this video, and basically it's gonna be my abundant month of October. What was it? Not exactly that. The abundant month of October, and my abundance of, I can't even remember because my head's spinning, but basically I received like what I should name the title of this video, like my abundance of October or something, I think it was. Yeah, my abundance of October, or my abundant October. And then I literally got 1-1. So I definitely meant to share this message and stuff with you guys, because if you don't know what 1-1 means, is it's also a confirmation number. 1-1's twin flame name number means your thoughts are manifesting instantly into reality, your spiritual awakening starting, so get into learning your stuff. Will guide you, angels and stuff. But for me, that was just a confirmation number, is like that thought that I just had. It's not just my thought, it's the guidance from my beautiful guides and angels that are around me to go ahead and name it this video, do the video, post it. So that's really cool, guys. I definitely gotta title it like my abundance for October, or my abundant month of October. Feel so blessed. Like what? I just end the video and I'm talking to you more because literally just got that confirmation. I'm like, I need to share that with you guys. Like all the beautiful synchronicities. I just feel so blessed. It looks a little bit warm outside, guys. Maybe since the warmth is lasting to like October, I should just go enjoy like the nature and thank God and stuff, and just get a little fresh air, drink something, eat my lunch out there, and then have a beautiful relaxed day, and definitely take some time to self-pamper and relax after all the chaos. So hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, blessed be.